Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. Currently 4:47 p.m. October 29, 2020, Thursday. Huge earnings day. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it. I appreciate that. And we are looking at Apple. Good old Apple. It's been a crazy aftermarket. Big boys are reporting. We got Amazon, Apple, Google, Twitter, StarBucks, Facebook, Activision, and most of them got hammered pretty good. Google has the best numbers of them all. Apple beat, but barely beat, didn't give guidance, stuff like that. So, buddy of mine got in it with the 110 level here, let it work a little bit. And then he's trying to ride it back up to like the 113 level. I hope he gets it. We'll see. I'm not in it myself. I thought about it, but I had a really good day. Probably my best trade in over a month. Early trade in the morning on Pinterest. For the most part, today was pretty boring after that. I did take a Twitter trade for a small loss to the 52 level. And let's just get into it. So the markets were down, up, then they faded at the end of the day. With all the earnings coming out, it was kind of hard to really play some of the stocks that are big boys like, Apple and Amazon, just because their earnings were coming. There's no reason to be. And I think Twitter was doing the same thing. A lot of fake outs, suck people in, things like that. But a couple trades did set up. I liked, let's get on my other screen here. So you look at this through the 102 level. Here's the opening candle through this 102 level is just really nice. We talked about you in the past. Garbage stock, you. This is just, you just didn't want, these are the type of things I'm avoiding going forward. These garbage stocks, they have potential. I mean, it was up 45%, but at one point it was up like 100%. That's a huge loss down, drop down. So, just garbage. I was looking at, what else was I looking at? Tupperware set up pretty good today again. But it was hard to get in it because it kept climbing early out of the gate. What was it? I don't remember. So let's just get into, I was looking at the wrong day. That's what it was. Like OSTK, I mean, it gapped up 20 or 10 points and it ended up down, 10 points. So it was a 20-point move to the downside at the end there. EGHT at the end of the day through 18, just a nice little trade, missed it. This ALXN through the 118 level, beautiful move up to almost 120. And that pretty much covers the ones I was looking at. And here's that stupid Twitter trade through 52 here, popped up, got dumped on, and then eventually popped up, fell back, and then eventually went. So it was one of those trades that I shouldn't have been trading when it's on an earnings day. Let's see where Apple is now. It's fading again down to 110.57. Was at 111 where you opened this video up. But let's get into the trade of the day. We saw it yesterday. I discussed Pinterest yesterday, and we saw the momentum was just super strong last night, and there was no reason not to consider it today. So this candle here, and I'm going to go to let's see if I can do it on a 1 minute candle. I'm going to have to go back a bit here. Yeah, so here it is on 1 minute. So I'm looking at 2 minutes on a normal case here. You can see here it touched the 66 area, but kind of made this opening. The opening candle was at 64. And it made this move up to through 65, pulled down really quick. Like it flushed from 65 all the way down to like 63.75, and then right here, the momentum in this candle. Look at the volume came in. I saw all this, and boom, I jumped on it at 64.75. I had sales at 65, 66, 67, 68. 300 shares, walked away with $450 on that trade. Just a Beautiful move on Pinterest. One of my better trades. I really had conviction on this trade. I really liked it. I knew I had to press the buy button as it was coming up, and fortunately for me, I was able to start my day and pretty much finish my day up really well. And I was problem with getting a good first trade. It kind of slows you down for the rest of the day, and I was only considering really, really good setups. You know, I wasn't trading that UUU. There was a couple other things I wasn't trading, but there were those trades I showed at the beginning of the video that worked out really well. But this Pinterest trade, I'm telling you, it felt really good to see it just climb. No pain. You can see it just climb. Pulled back here. I actually got the sell-off here at the 68 level. I got near the highs. I did not get the high of the day, 68.93. I think my best sell was 68.35. Small shares up there. But it was just 300 shares. We're talking 65, 60, so almost 4 points because I was below 65. So almost 4-point move on 300 shares would be a max of about $1,200, and I got $450 out of it, which is kind of where I'm averaging on moves. But I'm proud that my first sell was a whole point. My first sell was for 100 shares of the 300 for a point, so it was like $100 gain on the first move. So Pinterest to the rescue today. Great little trader. Everything else that I like to watch, like Beyond, Tesla set up a little bit. Let me go to a 5-minute here. It did set up, and I kind of was. I don't think I was here to see it. Here's the day right here, 412 through the 412 level, and it rose to 418, and then just never solidified another trade. I was going to trade possibly the 416 level, and then the 418 level if it got up to, guess what, the 420 level, but I did not. So overall, 405 on the day because that Twitter loss. 405 gain on a Thursday on a crappy 10 days prior to this week, and it just felt really good to get some of that back. And I think I'm doing okay in October considering the conditions. Now that we have all these earnings out of the way, we just have to get through the election, and I hope things kind of open up a little bit. No guarantees on that. But just trade what's in play, trade the good stocks, don't get into some garbage, and avoid the risk that shouldn't be there. Try not to gamble right now, and that's the hardest part, and that's what it's doing for me. I think my buddy made a sell at 112. Did he get 112? No, he didn't get a 112 sell. I think he's hoping for a 112 sell. We'll see. Good luck to him. And that will be it. So make sure you like the video, subscribe. I really appreciate that. Growing video of me coming soon. The video camera I liked, I just noticed on Logitech, is going to be available at the end of the month of November. So if you guys listen to this and you guys have a good webcam or video camera that I should look into, please post it below. I'd appreciate that, and I will take your recommendation. So have a good one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.